Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be using artificial intelligence, AI, to write a blog post very quickly. We're not going to do any of the writing at all, and we're going to actually let this tool do all the writing for us. I am going to be using shortlyai.com, and it is an artificial intelligence software, much like Conversion AI. I've done a lot of Conversion AI tutorials on this site. I own the tool and I use it on a daily basis, but I've since then have also picked up another tool called Shortly, and I am really liking it for long form content, which is blog posts and writing YouTube scripts for my other channels. And so we're going to be using Shortly today in a unique way. So we're going to go over to Google real quick, and we're just going to type in top ways to lose. So if you type top ways to lose belly fat, there's top ways to lose weight without exercise, top ways to lose thigh fat. So top 10 ways to lose weight naturally. Those are all some really good tips. Let's go ahead and go with top ways to lose belly fat. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to use that right there. I'm going to push enter. We're going to see of some articles that come up. And we have right here 8 ways to lose belly fat. Now what I'm going to do, so that one's on Hopkins Medicine. We're going to come through here. Looks like there's actually, more on the medical side of things, but we can take these 8 right here, okay? And actually sometimes I like to open it up and just see what I'm competing with here. What we'll do is actually right click. We'll actually do a Control A and highlight, and then I'll right click and do a count all these words. And we're looking at, this is only 1,100 word article. We can really crush this, right? So I'm going to actually come back over because I like the Google snippet. It gives us all the information that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy that. And I'll come back over in here into a notepad and just throw this in here, right? So we have our tips right here. I'm going to make this bigger real quick. All right, so those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have our 8 tips that we're going to go for. And then now all we have to do is come back in over here and go into Shortly and go to New. And then we use the nonfiction area right here. And what we'll do is we'll go with an article brief, right? And then what we're going to do is come back over to our search, top ways to lose belly fat. So we're going to go with like the top 8, right? So it's going to be the top 8 ways to lose belly fat. And, we're not copying the information. We're using the ideas, the bullet points, but we're not going to be copying the content, right? But we are going to copy the headlines, and then just we're going to let this do the work for us, right? So we have this right here, and then what we'll do is we will just take that first one and we'll throw that one in for now. We'll let this write an intro paragraph. Let's see if it'll write an intro paragraph for us real quick. So it didn't write the intro paragraph, so what we'll do here is we will actually come over here and just say, write me a blog post about the top 8 ways to lose belly fat. And then in this blog post, we will be discussing the top 8 ways to lose belly fat. It is important, and then let's just see if what it will do for us real quick. Right there, right for me. So it started doing some tips right there. We could come back and use those. But really what I was after was that first part. So we're going to go ahead and take off the diet part. And then we're going to come back over into here and grab, we're going to throw that one in right here as number 1. Like that. We'll push return and do write for me. And so as it continues to write, so it's wanting to do its own thing, right? So try cutting carbs, cut out processed foods. Is that one of them over here? Think eating plan. So We're going to go with that. So you can use these as inspiration, and we can just remove those, put 2 in here, and let the software go back to writing. We'll come back in here, we'll grab number 3, keep moving while that's writing, and we'll just come through here, and we can add more content to this. Lift weights, and let it do some writing for us. And at any time we can come back up here. So we're going to leave the rest of those. We'll just go grab one more from here. Hang out with health-focused friends. Move away from processed food. I like that one. So let's grab that. And that one wasn't one of them, so that's great. So we'll go with, that's going to be number 7. We'll throw that one in there. Right for me. And then it'll probably jump into number 8 for us. So it kind of came up with its own ideas. We also borrowed ideas from here as well. And we have our 8 tips. Let's see how many words we're at. So we're already at 350 words. That's great. There's a couple different things we can do, but what you can do is just come right back over to here and just right under tip number 1 and say write for me. So it's going to grab tip 1. It's going to go ahead and keep expanding on tip 1, hopefully for us. And there it goes. So it's still talking about carbs, and we're just going to fill this content in. This is what's really cool. So now the algorithm of Shortly knows that we have a tips-based article or a listicle type article, right? We have all these tips here. And so it has a full outline of the article, but we need more content, right, for a blog post than just a sentence or 2. So that's when you can come in here and you can literally just put as much content as you want in here, and it's just going to go out there and do it for us right here. It's going to add more to it. Okay, and there's a couple more things that you can do is to try to tell the software to expand itself. We can go ahead and grab a little bit of text here, right? Maybe a sentence here. And there's this little icon over here. If you click that, it'll actually tell you that you can do it a couple different ways. I'm going to use the shortcut way, which is using the control key and a closing bracket. So control and a closing bracket. So we're going to go ahead and grab this sentence here, and we're going to try that command. And it's going to go ahead and go in here and write some more content for us. Right, and then we can come back in here and it will only let you take about 120 characters, so it might not work on this one here. Okay, so it didn't work on that one. Just come back over here. Let's grab this much right here, and you can see it just continues to fill out more and more content. Once it gets to that point, brain cells also require a lot of oxygen, so we're going to go ahead and just leave it right there and go to adjust our writing. So it's really pretty simple to use this tool, and it just goes out and does the research and writing for you. It's going to finish that sentence right there, and then it's going to try to jump into number 2 because of what we have up here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this part right here to take that out. And then you can just come in here and move to more content. So I'm going to kind of pause the video while I'm just pushing the button and letting this do the writing for me, and we'll be back in just a sec. As you can see, all I'm doing is just coming over to the tips and writing. I'm putting it on somewhere in between, like medium, so it doesn't expand in and do too much writing, because when it runs out of ideas, it'll just jump into the next tip. So that seems to be working really well, taking down and kind of utilizing the different lengths. So right there, it wanted to jump into tip number 6, but I'm glad that it didn't, because then we can come back over here and just continue with our tips. And you can see we're almost at 1,000-word article right here, and we didn't really do any of the writing. The software is doing all the writing for us. And we'll come back into here and write some more. And when you need more content and you want to kind of force it to write some more content, you can just do that control bracket. And sometimes it grabs too much, so we'll just, kind of interesting, but we will grab this back here and just grab what we can here, control bracket. And then it just has more of a thought, so then it'll finish its thought, right, by pushing the button one more time. And then we can just say, we hope you enjoyed this list of 8 top tips to lose belly fat fast. And we'll see if it will actually finish this thought for us. Yep, it did a great job doing a closing paragraph for us. So what did we end up with? We actually ended up with over 1,200 words in a matter of about 5 to 8 minutes. And we have a nice tips-based list, right? We can grab this article here, and we can actually go into our blog and go to posts, go to add new post, and we could actually throw it in right here, paste, and then we would just come in here and grab the title, and then we would come in here and each one of these we would make. And then you would just come in here and make these headlines and then publish, and you have a really nice long form article ready to go. So that was it for the video, how to use AI to write blog posts quickly. In this case, it was a listicle. We took an idea from Google, found a website, and then just kind of grabbed some inspiration from the topics that they used. But then we went ahead and let the artificial intelligence from Shortly do its thing and write the content for us. So hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video.